Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mr. Hyde's Cocktail Collection. My name's Eric and today I'll be showing you a super popular cocktail, the Margarita. So this cocktail is going to be shaken and it is with a tequila base. We're going to be using Casamigos Blanco today. Generally speaking, I would say a Blanco tequila is a lot better for margaritas because you get a very pure agave taste to it. We're using Casamigos today just because it has a more nutty flavor to it. It gives a nice complexity to the margarita. That was an ounce and a half, and then we're gonna go 3/4 ounces of triple sec. So we're using Cointreau. And then 1 ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed of course. So usually that's the end of the recipe, but we add just a dash of simple syrup, so 1/4 ounce, just to balance the cocktail, remove any bitterness from lime. So lime does have that very astringent taste to it, so we'll help remove it. And that's it. We're gonna give it a shake. Perfect. A nice chilled cocktail glass. So we're gonna just rim our glass with a little bit of salt. This just helps bring out the flavor of the cocktail. It's really up to you if you like salt in your margaritas or not. I'm gonna serve it on the rocks today. So serving it up would be a good choice. Personal preference here, I like it on the rocks. Garnish that with a lime wedge. And there you go. That's our margarita.